Hello, this is Operations in Algebra, Solving Inequalities, Example 1. And equalities are a very important part of algebra. And these are the inequality symbols. There's one more. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Now, in an equal sign, see the distance here is the same on both sides. In an inequality, the distance is not the same. See, here's a bigger, wide open part, and then there's a small, pointy part. Well, this small, pointy part points toward the lesser number, the smaller number, and this bigger part always points toward the greater number. And it's the same with this symbol. Here the greater number is on this side because this side is bigger and this side is smaller. Please don't think of these symbols as an alligator eating something, because it's a very primitive way of thinking of this, and the way this symbol was developed is that it's got a big side for the big number, the small side for the small number. This one just is less than or equal to. And this one is greater than or equal to. So the one more inequality sign that's not listed and they don't talk about, but it is an inequality sign is this one. That means not equal to. It's not used much because it doesn't tell you much. It just says that they're not equal. This one means that all four of these, well, these two mean that it's definitely not equal to, but these two mean it's definitely not equal to, but it could also mean equal to. Anyway, these are the inequality signs, and we're just starting with them, so we'll get used to them little by little. Here, 4 is less than 5. Now, the 4 is the lesser number, see? So the small pointy side goes toward the 4. The big wide open side goes toward the 5, because the 5 was bigger. Now, n is less than or equal to 10. So here's less than or equal to. See, it says n is the smaller number, the less number, so the small pointy side is toward the 10. Y plus 2 is greater than 3. So let's get y plus 2, and here's my 3. Now it says that this y plus 2 is the greater number. See, y plus 2 is greater. So that means the big side is toward the greater number, and the small side ends up toward the lesser number. And 6 times x is greater than or equal to 18. So let's get 6 times x, and let's get our 18. Now it says the 6 times x is the greater number, that it's greater than or equal to. So the wide open side toward the 6x, and it can also be equal to 6x greater than or equal to 18.